Foundation repair is super important, and having official paperwork that shows exactly what was done can save you a ton of headaches later on. So here's the deal. Always ask your contractor if they're going to give you a drawing or a map that lays out all the repairs they did. This is clutch because when you go to sell your house, you'll want to prove the work's been done right, and it helps with insurance claims too. Don't just take their word for it, get everything in writing. If they say no, maybe think twice about hiring them. When you get those documents, keep them somewhere safe but easy to find, like a folder with your other house papers. Also, ask if the contractor offers any kind of warranty or guarantee, so you're covered if anything goes wrong later. If your foundation problems are serious, a professional engineer's report alongside the repair documentation can add extra peace of mind. And if you ever need more work down the road, this paperwork can help the next contractor understand what's already been done without guessing. One of the biggest mistakes people make with foundation repair is not getting detailed documentation from their contractor, which can mess up insurance claims or resale disclosures. Another common issue is hiring someone without checking their credentials, so always verify licenses and reviews before signing anything. Third, people often ignore warranties or guarantees on foundation work, which means they end up paying out of pocket for problems that should have been covered. To fix these, always demand clear documents up front, do your homework on who you hire, and make sure you get a solid warranty in writing. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about foundation, repair, and other big home jobs. It also makes life easier for contractors by connecting them with people who actually need their services, so everyone wins.